AdBlock in Opera Mini browser. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can add the AdBlock in Opera Mini browser. So adding the AdBlock to Opera Mini browser is straightforward since the browser has built-in ad blocking feature. Here's the process how you can enable it. First of all, you have to open your Opera Mini. Launch the Opera Mini app on your device. Once you have launched the Opera Mini app, you have to just tap on the Opera Mini logo or the menu icon, which is usually on the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are here, you have to go to the data saving. Here, look for the option like data saving or setting. Just go and tap on the data saving or setting. And you will see an option for ad blocker. You can toggle it on to enable the ad blocking here. So if you see any ad blocking here, you can see that you have to just enable it. You don't have to disable it. You have to enable it. You have to enable the ad blocking system here. Also, you can go back and customize your setting, which is optional. You can go to your Opera Mini and tap on the setting option, and you can customize your ad blocking preference based on your need here. Just go for the ad blocking, and here you can see that. After enabling the built-in ad blocker, you shall notice fewer ads while browsing. So if you want additional feature, consider using the main Opera browser. We support the extension including the third-party blockers. This is the process how you can add the AdBlock in your Opera Mini browser. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.